Hello dear students, I am again back to discuss one more writing skill, another aspect of grammar, that is dialogue writing. Basically dialogue is what? Dialogue is a talk or conversation between two or more than two people. You are all aware that a language is used for its own, it is used for different purposes and it is having its own functions like greeting, complaining, asking for information, giving suggestions, agreeing, disagreeing, and submitting gratitude and leave taking. These are what? These are the functions of the language, like greeting someone when we meet at the first time or second time, someone at the beginning of the day or in the evening. First time in the day we greet someone by saying good morning or good afternoon or simply by saying hello. We say these are the greeting words. And introducing, when we introduce someone to someone, or if you introduce yourself to someone, that is introduction. Or if you ask someone that how are you, this is also an introduction. Introduction, asking information to someone. If someone is a stranger to some new city, he doesn't know the routes, then he will ask someone information about something, that is asking information. And then agreeing with someone. If someone says something, the person agrees with him. Sometimes he disagrees. Agreeing and disagreeing, having complaints, complaining on someone. Then submitting gratitude by saying thank you so much for your help. That is gratitude. And leave taking, when you after the completion of conversation, we take leave from that place, that is called by saying goodbye, see you tomorrow. These are all leave taking. So today we will know with some examples what is dialogue writing. So here there are some examples we discuss now here. So what basically we need to understand the context of the speakers and the relationship of the speakers. That is very important. First we must know, we must try to understand the relationship of the speakers who are speaking, who are talking, and the context of the dialogue. What is the context, in which context they are talking, about what they are talking, and the purpose of their conversation, purpose of their talking. That is also important. And always remember, a dialogue begins with greeting and ends with leave taking. This is very important to remember. Now we see there are some dialogues. Their dialogues. First one is teacher. There is a conversation between teacher and a student. Teacher asks, you are late to the class. You are late to the class. You are late to the class, Pradeep. Pradeep is the name of the student. Here, Pradeep. So you are late to the class. What is this? You are late to the class. Teacher is having complaint on students. She says complaint. She is complaining on Pradeep because he is late to the class. You are late to the class, Pradeep. So complain. Then Pradeep, what Pradeep says, you see, Madam, I missed. Madam, I am sorry. I missed first bus. Then this. Then the next bus. The next bus was 10 minutes late. So what he is doing? Madam, I am sorry. this underlining sentence you see, I am sorry. This sentence shows that he is apologizing, asking sorry. This is called apologizing. Apologizing. So when someone asks something, apology or ask sorry, that is apologizing. Apologizing. What he said? Madam, I am sorry, I missed first bus. The next bus was 10 minutes late. When Pradeep said, when he apologized, teacher, and again what teacher said, you see, teacher said, in that case, you should dash, leave early. You should leave early. So this is suggestion, or you say suggestion. What is the suggestion here? Teacher is suggesting, Pradeep, that in that case, what is the reason for Pradeep to come late to the class? He said that he missed first bus and next bus was 10 minutes late. And teacher suggests him. What she suggests? In that case, you should leave early. You should come, you should leave your home early. This is the suggestion. So first one is complaining, second one is apologizing, and third one is suggestion. Suggesting, she is suggesting. Next, Pradeep. What is the reaction? Pradeep, what Pradeep says now? Pradeep says, yes, madam, I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. Shall I leave now? Shall I leave now? So in the bracket, this is agreeing. Agreeing. So what Pradeep said, whatever the teacher has suggested him, he agreed completely. He agreed. What he said? Pradeep said, yes, madam. Why he said yes? Because teacher suggested him what? You should leave early. So this is suggestion. Pradeep accepted completely by saying that, yes, madam, I am sorry. Shall I leave now? What is saying? Yes, madam. He agreed what madam has suggested, what teacher has suggested him. He said, I am, once again he is asking sorry. Shall I leave now? Agreeing and as well as leave taking. As I said that, so when you see this dialogue, what happened? The dialogue has begun with greeting. In case might be, so Pradeep greeted teacher that good morning, or by saying that, then teacher immediately she complained. She had complaint on him that he came late to the class. Then the conversation, the dialogue ended by taking leave. He took, he asked her permission and he wants to leave. And he said, he agreed, yes, madam, I am sorry, shall I leave now? And now this is agreeing the suggestion of the madam or teacher, and he wants to take leave. This is one example we have discussed, and we see more examples now. Next example we discuss. There is a conversation between Rahul and Lata. Rahul and Lata are husband and wife. So Rahul got some earned leaves from the manager. He is so happy and he wants to share that happy news with his wife. Rahul and his wife Lata plan to have a holiday. They discuss the option. You see now what Rahul says. Lata, my boss has accepted to sanction my earned leaves. my Arnold leaves. Arnold leave. He said, what, Rahul said that Lata, his wife, Rahul is saying to his wife, Lata, my boss has accepted to sanction me or sanction my Arnold, leave. Then Lata, she is happy to know that her husband got leaves and both of them are discussing or deciding to which place they want to go. So then what Lata's expression, what Lata says now, after hearing this happy news, she congratulates. Congratulations. She congratulates her husband. Congratulations, Rahul. Congratulations. Next, what Rahul says? Next, Rahul says, how about going to Rajasthan? How about going to Rajasthan? So in the bracket you see suggestion. If you see the context of the dialogue, the purpose of the dialogue, they are already known that they are, they want to go for some other place for their holidays. And here Rahul is suggesting his wife that how about going to Rajasthan, because he has already fixed it in his mind, so that they wanted to go to Rajasthan. So he is suggesting his wife that how about going Rajasthan. Rahul said her, no, he suggested her, how about going Rajasthan. What is the reaction? What Lata says here? Lata, she disagreed. Disagreeing by saying what? What she said here? Oh no, it will be hot there. It will be hot there. She doesn't want to go to Rajasthan. No, she completely disagreed with, she's not agreed with, her husband Rahul. Rather she says that, oh no, it will be hot there. She doesn't want to go there. And it will be very hot. It will be very hot. Very hot. So she completely disagreed with her husband. Then what? Rahul again says, Rahul says, next, giving an option. Giving an option. When his wife is not agreed to go to Rajasthan, then he only asked her, then you decide the place. So he is giving option to his wife. Now Rahul is asking Lata to decide the place. Then you decide the place. Giving option. He is only asking her to mention or tell the names where we should go now. Then what she said? Lata says, next, Lata's plan you see. Lata says, how about Australia? How about Australia? So here it will be lovely there. It will be lovely there. It will be lovely there. The suggestion you see, when Rahul asked her to suggest the place and she said, how about Australia? It will be lovely there. She suggested the name of Australia. She wants to go along with her husband, Australia. What is his reaction? What he said, Rahul? Rahul says, what? But you know, I am not much mountaineer. I am not much mountaineer. What does he mean? Rahul said that, but you know, I am not much mountaineer. You know, he is not habituated to stay in the places of, you know, mountain, or he doesn't like to stay there, or he doesn't want to go there. But you know, I am not much mountaineer. Next, what he says, what Lata says, Lata, and he also not agreed to that, you know, that suggestion. Lata says again, you love the sea. You love the sea, don't you? You love the sea, don't you? So what is this? You love the sea, don't you? So this is, again she is asking him, you love the sea, don't you? This is question tag. She asked here, Lata said, you love the sea, don't you? For that, what Rahul said, you see. Rahul says, yeah, no, he said that, yeah, he expressed it, you know, his interjection, sudden feeling of his, you know, mind, that is, yeah, I know he likes that, yeah, I do, yes, he mean, yes, I do, let us go to Goa, so his plan is to go to Goa, yeah, you know, he mean, yes, I do, let us go to Goa, he suggested, you know, again to go Goa. Then what Lata said that, why don't you call? So she is also agreed with him, why don't you call a travel agency, a travel agency right away. So both of them are agreed to go to Goa, and she said that she is also happy to go to Goa, and you know, she completely agreed with her husband by saying that, why don't you call a travel agency right now? No, we can go to Goa itself. That's what he said. That's what, you know, Lata said. Then Rahul said, yes, I will call now. Now what happened here? Both of them, the conversation ended by agreeing. So Rahul agreed Lata, and Lata also agreed the place which is suggested by Rahul here. And Rahul said that, yes, I will call now. Here the conversation dialogue is ended. So this is second example we have seen. One more example we discuss and we wind up the class. The third example is, so these are the context you should understand and the purpose of the dialogue you should know. Third one is, here one more, you know, context is there, and whereas he takes speaker as you, second person, you know, listener, or you know, the person who is reading, you know, second person, you and your friend are at this cinema. You have got two seats on either side of a gentleman who offers to exchange or who offers to change his seat so that you and your friend can sit together. Complete the dialogue given below. So here you means the listener, you can say you is second person, you, excuse me sir, you and a gentleman. So here you means, no, the listener, or you can say second person, excuse me sir, could you please exchange your seat with ours. So she is asking, or she is asking request, he or she is asking gentleman, excuse me sir, could you please exchange your seat with us? So she is politely, in a polite manner, he is asking the gentleman. What gentleman replied, you see, what gentleman said, Oh, oh yes, he said, oh yes, he agreed, definitely, definitely. Where are your seats? Where are your seats? Your seats. Here, you means, whereas two friends have gone to to theater to see cinema. So where they got either side of the seat, either side of the gentleman. So they requested the gentleman to exchange his seat with theirs. He said that, oh yes, of course, definitely. Where are your seats? He asked them back that where were their seats. Then what they replied? So you means here speaker. They are on either side of your seat. Either side of your seat. No, they said that where they are having their seat either side of the gentleman. What again gentleman said, you see, gentleman. No problem. No problem. I will go to the other side. I will go to the other seat, he said. So he agreed with them, and as we know that he is already a gentleman, he doesn't make any, he doesn't create any problem, and he said, no problem, I will go to the other seat, and he is ready to exchange his seat with you or the speaker. Next, what is the dialogue now? You. You said, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We have been waiting. We have been waiting to see this movie together. Want to see this movie together. That's what they expressed their feelings by saying thank you, that is gratitude, or saying gratitude to the person. They said, thank you, sir, we have been waiting to see this movie together. What gentleman replied? What gentleman said, you see, I understand. He said that I understand, full stop. Again he said that, by the way, what's your name? By the way, what's your name? He said that, by the way, what's your name? I am Vivek. I am Vivek. So he introduced himself to you here. Another speaker here, you. I understand, by the way, what's your name? I am Vivek. So he wants to know the other person's name also. What you replied? I am Aniket. I am Aniket, and this is Avinash. This is Avinash. Nice meeting you, sir. Nice meeting you. And they said, I am Aniket. He introduced himself, and he introduced his friend also to gentleman, or gentleman name is Vivek. I am Aniket, and this is my friend, Avinash. Avinash, nice meeting you. And then what he said? Gentleman said that, fine, thank you. So this is the end of the conversation. So end of the conversation by saying thank you, they ended the conversation. These are the types. These are dialogue writing. If you do, you do more and more examples to be perfect. Or So one more example we can discuss. This is last example we discuss now. So here character Anu knocks the door of the doctor's consulting room, and she is waiting. She was waiting outside, and when her turn came, and she knocked the door, and she enters inside the doctor's room. Doctor, when Anu knocked the door, what doctor said? So this is the dialogue between doctor and patient. Patient name is Anu. Doctor, please come in. What is it? Please come in. Please come in. Doctor said, please come in. Anu. Anu is the character. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I am Anu. I am Anu. So what this dialogue, what this sentence expresses? Good morning. I am Anu. Is good morning itself is greeting. She is greeting doctor and introducing herself. Introduction. What she said? I am Anu. Introducing. It is greeting as well as introducing. I am Anu. Good morning. I am Anu. Then what doctor said? Doctor says, please sit down. Please sit down. Sit down. Now tell me about your problem. So doctor wants to know that he is asking her, why you came to consult me? What's your problem? Please tell me about your problem. Then what Anu said? Anu says, I feel giddy. I feel giddy or giddy and giddy and uneasy as I woke up as I wake up or as I wake up from my bed. So she said her problem that I feel giddy and uneasy as I get up from my bed. She said, and she giving information. This is called giving information. Why she consulted the doctor? Information. So next one, what doctor said? See what doctor responded her. He said that, from when were you? From when were you feeling? From when were you feeling giddiness? From when were you feeling giddiness? He asked her. He wants to seek more information. He asked her from when you were feeling giddiness. Again she said, it started. Anu said, it started at 6 a.m. and lasted about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Again this dialogue is giving information. It's also giving information. So next you see what doctor says. He said that doctor says, take these medicines. Take these medicines and you will be fine, and you will be fine in 2 days. So here what doctor suggested Anu to take these medicines and you will be fine in 2 days. For that what Anu said? Anu said that thank you so much. Thank you so much. So here Anu, by saying thank you, she submitted her gratitude and she takes leave. This is another example we have discussed. So however, in couple of days you are going to write your English paper. So all the best for your examination. So if you like the online classes of Sri Guru, please like and subscribe them. Thank you so much.